Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is teach you step by step how to buy crypto. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, we'll get right into it. Keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. Step number one, you have to have some money. I recommend to save some cash or to have an excess of money in your bank account. You need to learn to save, and you don't have to have thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands. You can start with as little as $5 to $10. Once you begin to accumulate for a couple weeks, maybe a month, then you're ready to go. So that's the first step. For some of you, it's very difficult to save money. I've been there. Start small. Okay, break it down into steps. Use a book. It's going to help you write things down and create goals. Okay, so save some money and then we'll move on to the next step. Step number two, you want to sign up to a centralized exchange. I recommend something like Coinbase, crypto.com, maybe Binance. In fact, head over to the link tree. There you will find links that will maybe even save you a little bit of money. So once you register and get your bank account connected, you can begin the next steps. So that's going to be important. Again, I recommend Coinbase, Binance, crypto.com. Personally, I use crypto.com probably the most. But again, check out what is going to work with you. And yeah, just get things set up that way. So that's going to be step number two. Set yourself up with a centralized exchange. If you need further help, I've got tons of tutorials right here on the channel that will guide you step by step how to create accounts and how to buy crypto using a centralized exchange. Step number three, you want to identify the best cryptocurrencies. It's my recommendation that you avoid memes. If you're going to invest in a crypto, you want to do this seriously and you want to be diligent. So in fact, what I'm going to do is pop up my current allocation. Right now, we are April 18th of 2025. This is what I'm invested in. Keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk, but I'm very transparent. These are the projects that I like. Ultimately, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, those are my top three that I like. As you already know, there's a lot of noise in the crypto space. I simply recommend that you look at Bitcoin as well as the other top layer ones and avoid memes when possible. Now we're going to get into step number four. Let's buy some crypto. Number one, you should have some money saved. You should have set up an online exchange. So log into that, and you should have identified a couple of key tokens or projects you want to invest in. With most centralized exchanges, all you're going to do is either send a bank transfer or utilize a credit or debit card. Keep in mind, depending on where you live, you're going to have certain limitations using an online exchange. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Head over to the link tree. There you will have quick links to set up an online exchange and maybe save yourself a little bit of money. On top of that, you can also take an online course and you can watch other content right here on the channel. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.